Hi again, this is Irfan with a kind of very unusual combination today. I came across Nikon F with a Nikon AF Nikkor 50mm 1.8 lens, which usually you will see these lenses, AF lenses with a Nikon AF body, but Nikon F being kind of strictly manual focus, it doesn't have that AF feature. It's a very early camera, came out in late 40s, early 50s, but kind of works. It works on it since it has an aperture ring, so there shouldn't be a problem. The camera body is in a sort of working condition. It works well. Shutter does fire on all speeds. That's what is more important as far as Nikon film cameras are concerned. Well, it's very old, but looks like it still works. But it's always advisable to have them cleaned, lubed and adjusted before you start putting a roll into it, because they have been used for a long time. Pretty decent shape, nothing serious in terms of wear. Some cosmetic flaws which is common with these old cameras. Huge finder, it does have some dust specks, slight marks on the viewfinder inside. Otherwise looks pretty okay. Meter kind of response to light. I installed a brand new battery, but again you cannot rely on this kind of meter, which happens to be too old. But it does kind of show some movement. The needle does move when exposed to light. Nikkor lens appears to be in a decent shape. Pretty basic lens with 1.8. It makes some good pictures. I did put it on my digital Nikon D850 and works well on D850. AF is kind of noisy. It's not a AF-S motor, it's AF, the earlier model, which came out in 80s, I believe. Pretty decent combination and unusual. In case you have any questions, comments, feel free to write to me. This was my latest find. I very often go to estate sales, camera shows and other sales and pick up camera gear from there. I bought some more Bolex cameras, I'll be soon making videos of, and some Nikon gear as usual. Again, you are most welcome to write to me in case you have any questions. Thank you very much for your time.